It's gonna be a good day.
With this banana caramel poke cake, I created a cake that's relatively easy to make, but also not your average banana cake.
That looks so good.
Some of the PAMS team have come and helped us. We've had food gifted from Pack and Save Mānawatia, and together we're giving them away to the community just because, and I think that is so beautiful.
Hapai. Good work, team. Nice.
You poke holes all over it and fill it with luscious caramel. And then we've got a beautiful cream cheese frosting and just a little bit of Pam's takarete chocolate to finish it off. Super easy and perfect also for sharing with your whānau over Matariki. To me, it represents a time to be still, and it's time just to take a breath, to re-collaborate with those who we love, our whānau and friends, and look forward to the year ahead.